What are you doing? Are you trying to make a mess with your sippy cup? Oh, it's gone. It's gone. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. There it is. Do you want to put it in the fridge? Let's open the fridge. Let's open the fridge. There we go. Yeah, we like the fridge, don't we? We like the fridge. Caitlin, where's your drawer? There's your drawer. There's your drawer. What'd you find in there, huh? What'd you find in there? You got something good in your drawer? Huh? What's in your drawer? What's in your drawer? Goofball. Goofball. I know. I know. Oh, you want some egg whites now? Okay. Alright. Tell everyone bye. Say we'll see you soon. We'll see you soon. Bye, sweetheart.